Hi there. Would you like to know how to make seeing the annuity contract before investing actually easy? Well, by the end of this video, I'll make sure you know the exact steps to do just that before you go signing on any dotted line. My name is Michael Malone, and for up-to-date annuity advice and information, do be sure to subscribe to my channel here. And then also be sure to click on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload other videos as well. Now, the first thing I would share with you when it comes to making seeing the annuity contract easy before even investing in the annuity, the first thing you want to do in regards to that is you're going to want to request what is called a prospectus. You're going to want to request that prospectus on the particular annuity that you're looking at investing in. The best way to do that is to reach out to the insurance company that is offering you that annuity and ask them for that prospectus. It'll be filled with all sorts of details on that particular annuity, and the insurance company itself will be able to make that available to you very quickly via email in an electronic form if that works for you. And if not, you always want to know if you'd like to have a printed copy of that prospectus. You can also request that as well. Obviously, that's going to take a little bit longer to get over to you, though. So that's going to be the first thing as far as seeing the contract before investing in the annuity. Really, that prospectus is going to have all the details that you want. The other thing I would share with you, though, as we kind of walk through this video a little bit, is you want to know that when investing in an annuity, you also have something called a free 30-day look period. A free 30-day look period. In that free 30-day look period, really what it means is that once you've opened your annuity, you have 30 days to have this free look to really learn everything you want about that annuity, really become comfortable with that annuity in that 30-day free look period. And if for some reason in that 30-day period you come to the conclusion that that annuity really wasn't what you thought it was or wasn't right for you, you have the ability to take advantage of that 30-day free look period and actually cancel the annuity. And I would mention, if you would like my professional guidance as you kind of gather this information, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And I would really recommend, once you're done watching this video, if you haven't seen it already, check out the other video that I recorded called How to Get an Annuity. The reason why I would recommend that video is in that video, as the title says, it's really going to walk you through how to really go about getting an annuity if you have determined that that's really going to be one of the right retirement tools for you. And I'll include the link to that video in the description down below, just to make it easy for you. Now, one other thing I want to share with you in regards to this 30-day free look period that you have, you're going to want to know that when that 30-day period starts for you is going to really depend a lot on the state that you live in the state that you call home. You're going to find that in some states, that 30-day free look period will actually begin on the day that you sign and date your application for that annuity. So in some states, that will start your 30-day free look period. In other states, your 30-day free look period will start when you actually fund the annuity. So when you write your check or you transfer those funds into the annuity, that's the day that your 30-day free look period will start. And in still yet other states, the third other way that may trigger that 30-day free look period could be when the insurance company itself issues the contract for that annuity. So you really have three different ways in which that 30-day period could start for you, and it really depends upon the state that you're in. So it could be when you sign the paperwork, it could be when you fund the annuity itself, or it could be, as I said, when the insurance company itself issues the annuity contract for you. And as I said before, if you would like my professional guidance as you kind of gather this information, and in particular, which of those 30-day periods start for you based on the state that you're in, if you'd like my professional guidance on that, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel here and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I truly do hope something good happens to you out there today.